In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best HelloFresh discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, open your web browser and you'll have to search for HelloFresh discount promo codes. Right here, you'll have to select this website, which is called couponfollow.com. And as you can see right here, we have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use. For example, if I want to get this 70% off discount, all I have to do is select your coupon code right here. And this is the discount code that I can apply in order to get the discount right here. Also, going back to our main search on Google, if I'm going to scroll down a little bit right here, I should be able to find this website right here. And as you can see on this website, we also have some different promo codes and discounts that we can use. For example, if I want to get this one with 60% off discount, all I have to do is select show code right here. And my voucher code is loading right here, and I should be able to copy it and use it on my next purchase in order to get that 60% discount. So I'm waiting for the voucher to load up. Simply tap on this window, select copy right here, and the discount code has been copied. You can apply it on your next purchase to get the discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.